Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into an exciting topic that many dream about: how to travel to Brazil for free. Yes, you heard that right. If you've been wondering how to visit the land of stunning beaches, the Amazon rainforest, and the famous carnival without spending a dime, this is the video for you. Before we get into it, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our amazing travel tips. Number 1. Travel hacking with credit card points and miles. One of the best ways to travel to Brazil for free is by using credit card rewards programs that offer airline miles. Here is how it works. Sign up for travel rewards credit cards that provides sign-up bonuses in the form of air miles. Use these cards for everyday expenses and pay them off in full to avoid interest charges. Accumulate enough miles to redeem for a free flight to Brazil. Many airlines, including American Airlines, Delta, and LATAM, offer flights to Brazil using miles from partner credit card programs. If you start planning ahead, you can rack up enough points for a free round-trip ticket in just a few months. Number 2. Volunteer programs that cover travel costs. Many international volunteer programs provide free travel opportunities in exchange for work. If you're open to giving back to communities and experiencing a more immersive cultural exchange, this is a fantastic option. Here are some of the best programs that can get you to Brazil for free. Worldpackers. This platform connects travelers with hosts in Brazil who offer free accommodation, meals, and sometimes even travel assistance in exchange for volunteering. You can find opportunities in hostels, eco-lodges, farms, and even local NGOs. Many hosts also provide language classes, cultural activities, and free tour. Workaway, a similar platform that allows travelers to exchange their skills for room and board. In Brazil, you can find opportunities to teach English, help in guest houses, assist in animal rescue centers, or participate in permaculture projects. WWOF Brazil. If you're passionate about sustainability and nature, you can work on organic farms across Brazil. In exchange for a few hours of daily farm work, you receive free accommodation, meals, and an opportunity to learn about eco-friendly farming techniques. Peace Corps and NGO work. Well, the Peace Corps typically requires long-term commitments. Some NGOs provide short-term volunteer placements that cover travel expenses for participants who meet their requirements. Humanitarian programs. Some humanitarian organizations offer free travel and accommodation for volunteers who participate in social projects like teaching, healthcare, and environmental conservation. The best part, many of these programs allow you to stay for several months, giving you ample time to explore Brazil without spending a fortune. Number 3. Exchange programs and scholarships. If you're a student or researcher, you can travel to Brazil for free by applying for study abroad programs and scholarships. There are multiple programs that provide full funding, covering travel, tuition, and sometimes even living expenses. Here are some of the top options. CAPES Coordination for the Improvement of Higher Education Personnel. This Brazilian government-funded program offers scholarships for international students to study in Brazil. This scholarship often covers tuition, accommodation, and travel expenses. Fulbright Program. The prestigious Fulbright Program provides research and teaching grants in Brazil for students, scholars, and professionals. If you qualify, all expenses, including travel, are covered. Erasmus Plus. Some European universities have partnerships with Brazilian institutions, allowing students to study there for free. The Erasmus Plus program can cover travel costs, tuition, and living expenses. Brazilian government exchange programs. The Brazilian government frequently offers exchange programs for students and professionals from various countries, covering all travel-related costs. Language teaching programs. If you are a native English speaker, you can apply for English teaching programs in Brazil. Many of these programs provide free airfare, accommodation, and a stipend for living expenses. Sports and cultural exchange grants if you're an athlete, artist, or musician. You may qualify for special grants that allow you to travel to Brazil for free as part of a cultural exchange. Most of these opportunities require applications in advance, so make sure to research deadlines and eligibility requirements to increase your chances of securing a spot. Number 4. Couchsurfing and house sitting. Accommodation is one of the biggest travel expenses, but you can stay in Brazil for free by using hospitality exchange programs. Here are some of the best ways to find a free place to stay while enjoying an authentic Brazilian experience. Couchsurfing, a global network of travelers and hosts where locals offer free places to stay. Brazil has a large community of couchsurfing hosts who are eager to share their culture with visitors. Staying with a local host not only saves money but also gives you an insider's guide to the best places to visit. Trusted House Sisters, this platform allows travelers to live in beautiful homes for free in exchange for taking care of pets. Many homeowners in Brazil seek responsible house sitters while they travel, making this a perfect way to stay in Brazil without spending money. House swapping. If you own a home, you can swap it with someone in Brazil who wants to visit your country. This allows both parties to enjoy free accommodation while exploring new destinations. Home exchange networks, websites like Love Home Swap and Home Exchange connect travelers looking to swap homes for free stays. Religious and community housing. Some religious institutions, meditation centers, or community organizations offer free lodging to travelers, especially those participating in cultural or spiritual events. By eliminating the cost of lodging, you can make your trip significantly cheaper, even completely free. Number 5. Hitchhiking and free transportation methods. If you're adventurous, you can use hitchhiking as a way to travel within Brazil for free. Harisho, BlaBlaCar, a ride-sharing app that sometimes offers free rides. Hitchhiking is common in Brazil, especially in rural areas, and many locals are happy to pick up travelers. Cargo ships. Some cargo ships accept passengers in exchange for light work on board, making it possible to sail to Brazil for free. Number 6. Travel contests and giveaways. Companies often run contests where the prize includes free flights and accommodations to exotic destinations like Brazil. Here is how you can increase your chances. Follow airlines and travel companies on social media and participate in their giveaways. Sign up for travel sweepstakes and competitions. Enter video or blogging contests where the prize includes a sponsored trip. Number 7. Get sponsored as a travel influencer. If you love social media, you can turn your passion into free travel. Companies often sponsor influencers to promote destinations like Brazil. Harisho, build a strong social media presence: Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or a travel blog. Contact tourism boards, hotels, and travel agencies for sponsorships. Offer to create content in exchange for free travel, accommodation, and experiences. Many influencers travel the world for free, so why not give it a shot? Number 8. Teach English or other languages. Coming in at number 8 is teaching English or other languages. If you're fluent in English or another language, you can use your skills to travel for free. Here is how it works. Find opportunities. Websites like TEFL.com and Davies Alcafe list teaching jobs around the world, including Brazil. Volunteer programs. Organizations like World Teach and CIE offer volunteer teaching programs that cover your flights, accommodation, and meals. Private tutoring. You can also offer private tutoring services to locals in exchange for accommodation or other perks. Teaching is a rewarding way to travel for free while making a positive impact. Working on a cruise ship means you get free travel, meals, and accommodation while visiting different parts of Brazil. Number 9. Find a travel grant or research fund. If you are a writer, journalist, or scientist, You may qualify for travel grants that fund trips to Brazil. Some examples include National Geographic grants for explorers and researchers, scientific research grants for studying the Amazon rainforest or Brazilian culture, artistic grants for filmmakers, writers, or photographers looking to document Brazil. Number 10. Join a Brazilian cultural exchange program. Many cultural programs exist to bring international guests to Brazil for free. This include Brasiliangovid exchange programs, offers cultural experiences and sometimes free travel for foreign participants. Capoeira schools, some Brazilian martial arts schools, invite international students to train with them for free. In exchange for helping with community projects, ecotourism and wildlife conservation programs, some NONG. Profits bring volunteers to Brazil to work in conservation projects in the Amazon, covering their travel expenses. So there you have it, 10 amazing ways to travel to Brazil for free. Whether you use travel hacking, volunteering, scholarships, contests, or sponsorships, there are plenty of ways to experience this incredible country without spending money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our best travel hacks. Have you ever traveled for free? Share your experience in the comments below. See you in the next video.